We're going to start the chapter named The Invention of Vita Wong. Now, there are two parts or aspects in this chapter. Initially, Mr. Willow Wong did not invent Vita Wong, but he invented Wonka White. You can see I have divided the chapter into two parts, A and B. Wonka White to become younger and Vita Wong to become older. So first of all, he did not invent Vita Wong, but he invented Wonka White. Mr. Willy Wonka began by inventing Wonka White, which makes people younger. He found a drug, invented a drug uh, named Wonka White. Now, this drug was so strong that those who consumed this, their age became minus 87. Now, what do you mean minus 87? That is, he has to wait for 87 years to come to life. So, after consuming this drug, Wonka White, a person did not become just 1 year old or 6 month year old, but he went back to minus 87. That means he had to wait for 87 years to be born, to be just born. Now nobody could afford that thing. So ultimately he decided to invent a counterpart to counter this, a new thing. So he decided to invent a new thing, and that gave rise to the invention of Vita Wong. He explains to Charlie, his assistant, how does or how did he do that. There is a sort of conversation in the chapter. He asks Charlie, which is the longest living thing. He adds further to the answer of tree by Charlie that a tree named bristlecorn pines found in America lives longer than anything else, even over 4,000 years old. So tree is the ultimate thing that lives much longer than anything else, and especially a tree named bristlecorn pines found in America, USA, it lived for to the extent of even 4,000 years old. And the dendrochronologists approved that thing. Now, what do you mean dendrochronologist? Dendrochronologist is a person who finds the age of trees by that rings found in the trunk of tree, by the carbon techniques and all. So dendrochronologists have guessed the age of trees, and they have found that bristlecone pines live to the extent of 4,000 years old. Mr. Wonka had tracked down very old and ancient animals and had taken an important little bit of something from each one of them. So he traced the animals, the ancient animals, and took one body part of each one of them. Then in the chapter we come to know that he cites some examples. He cites some names of parts of the oldest living things that he had collected. For instance, the egg of an old 200-year-old tortoise, the tail of a 51-year-old horse, or whiskers of 37 years old cat, something like that. Then the tail of a giant rat, 207 years old from Tibet. So he went from different parts of the country and to different countries to hunt for such animals which lived much longer, the oldest living things, and he collected parts of them. There may be tail, or maybe whiskers, or maybe egg, and so on. So after lots of boiling and bubbling, that he is able to make into a drug. After much boiling, bubbling, and mixing and testing, he had produced one tiny cupful of oily black liquid. So as a result, he was able to produce this drug, oily black liquid. Then he gave this drug to a volunteer, Oompa Loompa. Oompa Loompa. He gave just 4 drops of it and a small quantity to volunteer Oompa Loompa. After consuming this, Oompa Loompa suddenly became an old fellow of 75 years old. Of 75. Thus, Vita Wonka was invented. So when this volunteer, the person who readily agreed to consume, to experiment himself, to experiment on him, that is a volunteer. When he gave him drugs, I mean 4 drops of drug, this Ompa Lumpa, he became suddenly 75 years old. He became an old man of 75, not minus 75, but just 75. So he grew old, not young, but old. Suddenly his skin started getting wrinkles, started to have a drooping figure and all that thing, and became an old guy of 75. And thus Vita Wong was invented. So the main points have been colored in red so that you can memorize it. So name of the drug which made younger was Wonka White, and the drug that made older is Vita Wong. Wonka White made a person go to become minus 87, and Vita Wong made a person turn to 75 years old, suddenly plus 75, whatever his age. With this, we finish the chapter. Hope you understood it.